Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use the WooCommerce Product Reviews Generator from CSVWorks to create realistic reviews and import them directly into your WooCommerce store. This is perfect for seeding your products with social proof and making your store look more trustworthy from day one. First, go to csvworks.com and select the WooCommerce Product Reviews Generator. This tool lets you create bulk reviews in just a few clicks and export them in a CSV file that works perfectly with WebToffee's Import/Export plugin. Here, you can set how many reviews you want to generate, pick the star ratings, and even choose random customer names and countries. You can also include review titles, detailed comments, and dates to make them look authentic. Once you're happy with your settings, just hit Generate CSV. The file will download instantly, ready to be imported into your WooCommerce store. Now, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to WebToffee Import/Export Import Reviews. Upload the CSV you just created. The plugin will automatically map the columns, like product ID, reviewer name, rating, and comment. If needed, you can adjust the mapping manually. Then click Import, and in just a few seconds, all your generated reviews will appear on your store. Let's check a product page. And here you go. All the reviews have been imported successfully, complete with names, star ratings, and comments. That's it. In just a few minutes, you can generate and import dozens of realistic reviews to make your store look active and credible. Head over to csvworks.com and try the WooCommerce Product Reviews Generator for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching.